Hello guys, so now we will discuss the mean, median, and mode of the ungrouped data. Mean. It is the sum of the observations divided by the number of observations. To calculate the mean, we use the formula x bar is equals to the summation of x divided by n, wherein x bar is the mean, summation of x, sum of all the numbers, and n is the total number added. For example, suppose we have the following data: 12, 17, 19, 10, 20. To find the mean, we will use the formula x bar is equal to the summation of x divided by n. The first step is to add a given number, so we write x bar is equals to 12 plus 17 plus 19 plus 10 plus 20. Since we have 5 numbers to be added, the value of n is equals to 5. By adding all the numbers, we get 78 divided by 5. To find the value of mean, 78 divided by 5 is equals to 15.6. So 15.6 is the mean of the given set of data. Median. The number found exactly in the middle of the data set when the data are arranged in either ascending or descending order. For example, let's consider the following numbers: 12, 17, 19, 10, and 20. The first step in finding the median is to arrange a set of numbers in either ascending or descending order. When we say ascending order, it is from least to greatest, and descending order is from greatest to least. Let us arrange the number in ascending order. So it will be 10, 12, 17, 19, and 20. The next step is to locate the number found exactly in the middle, and that is 17. So 17 is the median. How about if we have even number set of data? What shall we do? For example, we have the following numbers: 12, 17, 19, 10, 20, and 11. We have 6 numbers. Let's arrange it first in ascending order. As you can see, there are 2 numbers found exactly in the middle. We have 12 and 17. In this case, we need to get the average of 2 numbers, so we will add 12 and 17. And divide it into 2. 12 plus 17 is equals to 29 divided by 2. The quotient of 29 and 2 is equals to 14.5. 14.5 is the median. Mode. The mode is the number which frequently occurs in the given set of data. For example, let's consider the following numbers: 19, 12, 17, 19, 10, 20, and 11. So to find the mode, just look for the number which appear frequently in our set of data. When you look at the example, there are 2 19. Since 19 appears twice in the set of data, the mode is 19. A mode can be unimodal, bimodal, trimodal, or multimodal.